Welcome to my OMTech site. This is Joe Braga with Engravers Choice. I help support Boss Laser and OMTech Laser. I work heavily with OMTech. We have a facility in Anaheim, California, where we have a full classroom. We also do PC to PC training and on-site training, and offer phone support for our units. These units are fully QA'd here in the United States. You'll see our samples inside the unit to prove that they were working. We will do a PC to PC installation for $750. If you've already been using it for a while, we'll do a training session on either Lightburn, CorelDRAW, EngraveLab, EasyCAD. RD works if you choose. PC to PC. We do offer full phone support. Those courses come with 1 year after, for the most part. Like I say, we do have a classroom, both CO2s and for fibers, and we do have full training packages. You can buy an extra tube from us. We are a full parts center. Mostly you don't need an extra tube when you buy a new machine, but if you want a tube, we have it. We have all the parts for everything we sell. We're fully stocked here on the West Coast in the United States. Now, one of the things I love about Lightburn, I believe Lightburn is the future of laser engraving, is normally your packages sell for $250. Mention this course and you can get the package for $150. The CorelDRAW package, the EngraveLab package, they are $250. But the Lightburn course is absolutely more in depth and does have CorelDRAW and EngraveLab training within it. So give us a call at 949-355-4000 directly, or call OMTech, or see us on the internet, omtechlaser.com. Thank you so very much.